spark lovers, and welcome to Mindful Diamond Art. My name is Neta, and just got off the shower. So yeah, that's why the crazy hair. But you're not here to see my face. You're here to see diamond paintings, and that's what we are going to see. I just want to make a small intro because I want to explain a few things. First of all, if you follow my channel for a while, you will already know that I am the owner of Mirthful Diamond Art, and I am working on my own kits. That was the reason that so far I hadn't done any kit review, because I felt that it would probably go would probably seem like a dishonest one. But and I was showing my finished kits only on. I made some shorts for them. That is enough. I made some shorts on them, and I was only showing them in monthly review videos as a finish. But I never made an in-depth video for them because, as I said, I thought it might come out as a dishonest one. You don't know me, so you don't know that I am brutally honest. I am a perfectionist, and I will probably have, if I have, something negative to say about a kid, I will. But again, it's I didn't know if it was the right thing to do. But every kid deserves a spotlight. And I am spending a lot of hours working on kits, not only because I have them, I love them on painting, and I want to finish them, but also because, excuse me, also because it is the best way for me to see if there are some flaws that I need to address and to fix. So I will start a short series of videos that I will showcase, show off, or spotlight the finished canvases, giving more details, showing the special drills, the placements, and stuff like that. But it will not be a review, even if I have things to say, negative things to say, and I will say if I find something negative. I will also let you know how I will address that negative thing that, in my opinion, needed to be addressed. And you will have the chance to see a finished kit, how exactly it looks like compared to the original image, the original artwork. And I am also planning to do, because I release them both in round and square, and it's known that I'm not very fond of round kits. I am going to work on rounds also and have a video where I have them side by side to see the differences and to have a better idea of what to expect when you choose the one or the other kit. If you have any suggestions about this kit, about this project, this series of videos that I'm planning to do, please let me know in the comments. And it will probably, because I don't finish it so fast. And there will probably be one every couple of weeks or one a month. I'm not sure yet, but I have several that I have finished already, and I have a lot of whips. But we will play it by ear. I can't say yet the frequency. I think I will start with one video every 2 weeks. A couple of days before that video, there will be a short showing it. A disclaimer about the shorts. They will be filmed in direct sunlight in my porch to show all the sparkle, because it's the best lighting you can have to show all the sparkle, and there will be no filters on it. What you will see will be the real deal. You see me touching the screen because it gets on screensaver. So let me know in the comments if you have any take or ideas or suggestions or comments about this type of series. And if you want to see them and you have not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you will be notified every time I am I'm posting a new video. And what else? There was something else I wanted to say. Yeah, it is free to subscribe, so it's just a click away. And I will see you very soon. Keep on shining because it makes the others jealous. And take good care of yourself because no one else will. See you soon. Bye.